Morning everyone. So today we are going to continue with the continuous tense. So in the last week we had done simple tenses of all kinds. So we are going to start with the continuous tense today. So first of all, present continuous we are going to start an action which is currently going on. Present continuous tense is a kind of tense in which we show the action that is going on in a current time. Suppose it's raining outside. That is what? That is the present continuous tense. Okay, the action that is currently going on. I am teaching you. That is current action. You are studying. This is a current action. So this shows with the help of present continuous tense. We'll see the rules or structure. First of all, subject should be there. After that, be means is, am, are. Okay. Subject, after that you have to use is, am, are. Is with any of the singular, am with I, and are with plural. Suppose I, we, you, or they. And any of the two persons, more than one persons, you can use are over there. Plus verb plus first ing, first form. Then after that you have to use verbs first form plus ing. After that you have to write object. So let's take an example. I am playing football right now. So this is the action that is going on in a current time. The action continuously going on. In the present, that is called as present continuous. I am playing football right now. So this is the present continuous kind of tense. So we'll see how we have to convert the positive one, negative one, and all. So first of all, positive subject. In a positive sentence, we have to use first of all subject. After that is, am, are plus verbs first form plus ing plus object. Clear? So the sentence is he is playing. Subject he is, just because he is a singular, playing is a verb, play is a verb, and ing is the you have to use in the continuous. Clear? So we'll see some examples also. The cat and the mouse are running. Just because cat and mouse are a plural one, that's why are will be used. These days, just because days is there, these is there, these are the plural one, that's why are will be used. You are watching TV. So you, with you also you have to use are. They, there is a plural one, so you have to use are. After that, the crow is building a nest. So the crow is a singular, so is will be used. After that, build is what? Build is the verb first form. After that, ing will be used. When are you starting your new job? Just because you is used, so are helping verb should be used. Samuel is working at the supermarket this summer. So Samuel is a singular one, so that's why is will be used here. Clear? So we'll see some examples. Negative part. So subject plus is, am, are plus not. Okay. After is, am, are, is or are or am, you have to use not plus verbs first form plus ing. So he is not playing. Okay, he isn't playing and or he is not playing, both are the same. So we'll see some examples. He is not listening the music now. We are not learning English at this moment. Okay, first of all we, after that are, after that not should be used, and after that the rest the sentence will be the same. My mother is not cooking dinner in the kitchen now. Okay, if sentence will be there, my mother is cooking the dinner in the kitchen now, then after that negative may, mother is not cooking the dinner in the kitchen now. Clear? So subject plus ismr plus not plus verbs first form plus ing. Clear? Next, question form or interrogative you can say. So you in interrogative you have to start the sentence with the is, am or are. Rest will be the same. With the I you have to start the sentence with the am. With singular he, she, it or any of the single person is will be used, and with the plural are will be used. Clear? So the sentence is he playing? Yeah, suppose are you playing? Yeah, am I playing? All these are the question forms or interrogative forms. Clear? So we'll see some examples. Is she listening the music now? So question mark will be used. Are they? So they is a plural one, so you have to use are over there. Next, is your mother cooking? Mother is what? Mother is a singular one, so is will be used. Is your mother cooking dinner in the kitchen now? Question mark should be used at the last in the interrogative kind of sentence. Clear? So now, second one is past continuous tense, an action which begin in the past. So past continuous tense will be used for the action that has started in the past, that has already started in the past but was still going on until some other action occurred. Means to say that if some other action had started, okay, but the previous action was already begin, in that case you have to use past continuous. We'll see the structure. First of all, subject, after that be means was, were. In present continuous we had seen is, am, are. Here we have to use was, were. After that verbs first form plus ing. After that object. Clear? So let's see one example. I was playing football when you arrived. So the past action was going on when another action occurred. Means to say जब आए आप तो उससे पहले I was playing football. Okay. So this is the usage of the sentence or a past continuous tense. Clear? So we'll see. So first of all, in a positive one, subject plus was, were plus verbs first form plus ing. So she was cooking all the morning. So she is a subject. Was or were according to the subject you have to use, just because she is a singular, that's why was will be used. After that, cooking, cook is a first form and ing will be used according to the rules, and all the morning. Clear? So next, some examples are there. Positive. You were watching television last night. You were watching, just because this is a you is used here, so you, with you have to use were. With they also you have to use were. Again in the second sentence, they were studying math yesterday. I was washing the dishes when the phone rang. Okay, I was already washing you were doing something when another action occurred. As she was reading the book, Alice came. Okay, and it was raining yesterday evening. So was will be used with the singular and were will be used with the plural one. With I, this thing you kindly remind ki with I you have to use was. Don't use were over there. Clear? So next, negative one. Here one change will be there. Not should be used after was or were. Suppose subject, after that was or were, after that not, after that you have to use first form of verb plus ing. Yes, suppose she was sleeping when he came home. She was not sleeping when he came home. Okay, so this kind we have to use. So we'll see some examples. You were not watching television last night. They were not studying maths yesterday. I was not washing the dishes when phone rang. As she was not reading the book, the Alice came. It was not raining yesterday evening. So just like this, we have to use negative kind of sentences. So we'll see some the question form or interrogative form. Was or were plus subject plus verb plus first form plus ing. At the last you have to put question mark. So in just like in the all tenses you have used was or were or helping verb or any of the helping verb at the first in interrogative kind of sentences. In this also you have to start the sentence with the helping verb, means was or were. You have to start the sentence with the was or were. Was she sleeping when he came home? So you have to just interchange the positions of subject or helping verb. Clear? So we'll see some examples also. Were you watching television last night? Okay, in a positive it was you were watching television last night. You have just converted or you have just exchanged the positions of both. They were studying maths yesterday. So were they studying maths yesterday? Was I washing the dishes when phone rang? I was washing. Okay, so you have to interchange the positions just. Okay, so start the sentence with the was or were and finish the sentence with the question mark. Okay, clear? So the third one, future continuous kind of tense, means to say an action which will begin in the future. It will start in the future but will still go on until some other action. But when some another action will start, before that it will also be going on. Okay, suppose हम करें in Hindi we can say I will be playing football when you arrive, कि मैं उस टाइम खेल रहा होऊंगा जब तुम आते. ओके, सो खेल रहा होऊंगा, इट विल नॉट लाइक दैट कि हो रहा होगा. ओके, सो raha for the continuous you have to use. So structure, subject plus will be plus verbs first form plus ing plus object. So subject, after that you have to use will, nahi use karna alone, you have to use will be. Okay, in future continuous tense you have to use will be plus verbs first form plus object. Clear? So I'll be playing football when you arrive. Clear? So we'll see the examples of positive one. First of all, positive, subject plus will plus be plus verbs first form plus ing. So with I you have to use will. Bache, for everything you have to use will be here. Okay, don't use shall over there. With I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, with everything you have to use will be. Okay, clear? So we'll see in the positive one you have to use. Clear? Example, I'll be coming. So I will be coming is the example of the positive form of future continuous. Clear? So some examples. It will be raining at this time tomorrow. So it will be. So it will be used. Raining means rain plus ing. After that, tomorrow they are talking about the future. We will be visiting his friends this time next week. Okay, आ रहे होंगे next week. Okay, she will be watching TV this time tomorrow. We will be working on our project. Okay, will for the future and work plus ing for the continuous. Okay, so this will be the future continuous. Next, negative form. Just like that, you have to subject plus will not be. Here don't do any kind of mistake, so you have to use subject. After that, will be not be used. Will not be should be used. Before be you have to use. Before be you have to use not. Okay, don't use after be. Not will be used before be. Will not be. Okay, I will not be starting. You will not be starting. He will not be starting, or she will not be starting, or you will or it will not be starting. Okay, so I will not be coming. I will be not should not be used. Okay, I will not be coming, like this. Some examples are there. He will not be visiting his friend this time, so he will not be used. He won't is the just short form of will not, but you have to use only will not. Don't use won't just because it will not be right in the written form. So she will not be watching TV. Next, they will not be writing letter to each other. Clear? So here is the last but not least question form. So you have to start the sentence here with the will, but will be should not be used together. After will you have to use subject. Okay, after will you have to use subject. After that be should be used. After that verbs first form plus ing will be used. Suppose will I be starting? Will you be starting? Will he be starting? Okay, like this you have to start. So the example is will you be coming? Will be you coming is not correct. Will you be coming will be used. Clear? So some examples of question form. Will it be raining at this time tomorrow? Question mark. Will he be visiting his friend this time next week? Question mark. Will they be writing letter to each other? Question mark should be used at the last. So you have to start the sentence with the will. After that subject. After that be should be used. After that you have to write first form of verb, then ing, and after that you have to write the object. So thank you so much. If you will have any doubt, we will clear all the doubts in the Zoom class. Thank you.